Hold on to your space helmets, folks. Today we're diving into the big, bold, and beautiful universe. Get ready for an interstellar journey as we unravel 50 mind-boggling facts about the cosmos. From the mysteries of black holes to the enigma of dark matter, this journey is going to be nothing short of extraordinary. So buckle up as we embark on this cosmic adventure. Are you ready to have your mind blown by the vastness of our universe? Here we go. Starting off our cosmic journey, did you know that space is completely silent? That's right, there's no air in space, which means no sound can be heard. So if you were planning a karaoke night on Mars, you might want to reconsider. Moving on to our second fact, did you know that our Milky Way galaxy alone has hundreds of billions of stars? That's more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Talk about a star-studded show? For our third fact, let's talk about the moon. It might seem like it's just hanging out, doing its thing, but it's actually moving away from us at a rate of about 1.5 inches each year. Talk about playing hard to get. Fourth on our list, did you know that a day on Venus is longer than its year? Venus completes an entire orbit around the sun before it manages to turn on its axis once. Talk about a slow day. Fifth, you might want to sit down for this one. The largest volcano in our solar system is not on Earth but on Mars. Olympus Mons is its name and it stands at a whopping 13 miles high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Sixth, did you know that if two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stuck together? This phenomenon is known as cold welding, and it happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing they are separate. Talk about a clingy relationship. Seventh, let's get a little dark. Did you know that there's a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy? Don't worry, it's about 26,000 light-years away. So, no immediate danger, I think. Eighth, the footprints left by astronauts on the moon will stay there for at least 100 million years, due to the lack of wind and water. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for long-lasting graffiti. Ninth, did you know that 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun? Now that's a real estate opportunity. And finally, 10th, the highest mountain known to man is not Mount Everest, but is actually on an asteroid called Vesta. It's approximately 13 miles high, just like Olympus Mons, and that's just the beginning. The universe still has so much more to reveal. Just when you thought space couldn't get any more intriguing, here's another set of mind-blowing facts. Fact 11. Mars, our red neighbor, has the tallest volcano in our solar system. It's called Olympus Mons, standing a whopping 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Now that's a hike you wouldn't want to make. Fact 12. If you thought a year on Earth was long, imagine a year on Venus. It takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the sun, but it rotates so slowly that its day is longer than its year. Talk about a long workday. Fact 13. There's a planet made of diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. The exoplanet, 55 Cancri E, is believed to be 1/3 pure diamond. Suddenly diamonds on Earth seem a lot less rare, right? Fact 14. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts will probably stay on the moon for at least 100 million years. That's because there's no weather to erode them away. Now that's what I call leaving a mark. Fact 15. Speaking of the moon, did you know it's slowly drifting away from us? Every year it moves about 1.5 inches further from Earth, but don't worry, we won't lose our nightlight anytime soon. Fact 16. The Milky Way is spinning, and it's spinning fast. How fast? Approximately 600 kilometers per second. If you could drive your car at that speed, you could travel from New York to Los Angeles in less than a minute. Fact 17. Comets are essentially cosmic snowballs. They're made up of rock, dust, and icy compounds. And when they're close to the sun, they heat up and leave a trail of gas and dust behind them. Fact 18. The largest asteroid in our solar system, Ceres, is so big that it's also classified as a dwarf planet. It's about 1/3 of the size of the moon. Fact 19. The sun is actually white, not yellow. Its true color is a combination of all colors which appears white to our eyes. The atmosphere makes it look yellow from Earth. Fact 20. Black holes aren't actually black. They're just invisible because no light can escape their gravitational pull. Can you believe how fascinating our universe is? But wait, there's more. Scene script. Let's continue our journey with another round of astonishing space facts. Buckle up. Fact number 21. Did you know that the largest volcano in our entire solar system is on Mars? Olympus Mons stands a staggering 13 miles high, which is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Now that's a hike. On to fact 22. Have you ever wondered how long a year lasts on Venus? Well, it's actually shorter than a day on Venus. A year on Venus, which is the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is about 225 Earth days. But a Venusian day, the time it takes to rotate once on its axis, is 243 Earth days. Time certainly flies when you're having fun. Fact 23. The temperature on Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day. But at night, it can drop to a chilling minus 290 degrees. Talk about a place of extremes. Moving on to fact 24, the Milky Way galaxy that we live in is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Makes you feel a bit small, doesn't it? Fact 25. If you somehow managed to drive a car at a steady 60 miles per hour, it would take less than a month to reach the moon. But to reach the Sun, you're looking at a road trip of about 176 years. Better pack some snacks. Fact 26. There's a cloud of alcohol in the center of our galaxy. It's not the kind you're thinking of, but it's still a cosmic cocktail that's about 463 billion kilometers across. Fact number 27. Space is completely silent. There's no air to carry sound waves, so if someone screams in space, no one can hear it. Fact 28. There's a planet where it rains glass, sideways. This planet is called HD 189733b, and it's about 63 light-years away from us. Fact 29. The footprints left by astronauts on the moon will be there for at least 100 million years because there's no wind or water to erode them. And finally, fact 30. There's a diamond star out there in the universe. It's a crystallized white dwarf, the remnants of a star that has cooled and faded, and it's largely made of diamond and oxygen. Unbelievable, right? But we're not done yet. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, the facts get even more astounding. Let's dive right into our next 10 facts. Fact 31. Did you know that the Milky Way galaxy is spinning? It's true. It takes our sun a whopping 226 million years to travel once around the galaxy. Talk about a long road trip. Moving on to fact 32. The footprints left by astronauts on the moon could stay there for 100 million years. That's because the moon has no atmosphere, so there's no wind or water to erode or wash away these marks. Now that's what I call leaving a lasting impression. Fact 33. You've heard of shooting stars, right? Well, they're not actually stars. They are meteoroids falling to Earth, burning up as they enter our atmosphere, kind of like space litter, but way more beautiful. Fact 34. Venus, our neighbor, is the hottest planet in the solar system. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the most sweltering planet. Who needs a sauna when you've got Venus? For fact 35, let's talk about Mars. The highest mountain known in our solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons and stands at a staggering 13 miles high. Mount Everest, eat your heart out. Fact 36, space is completely silent. There's no medium for sound to travel through. So if you're planning to throw a party in space, remember to bring your own tunes. Fact 37, did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? Estimates suggest there are around 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's a lot of lumber. Fact 38, there's a planet made of diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. The exoplanet, 55 Cancri E, is believed to be 1/3 pure diamond. Talk about bling. Fact 39. The sun is over 400 times further away from Earth than the moon. But the sun and moon appear the same size in our sky because the sun is 400 times larger than the moon. And finally, fact 40. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete its day. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come. We're now at the final frontier of our space facts journey. Brace yourself. Here's fact 41. The footprints on the moon will stay there for at least 100 million years. Now that's what I call leaving a mark. Fact 42. The sun's light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth, so technically we're seeing the sun in the past. Talk about time travel. Fact 43. A star's life cycle can last from a few million to a few billion years. It's a slow burn, but the show is definitely worth it. Moving on to fact 44. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. Who said we are not special? Fact 45. The largest asteroid is about 1/3 the size of the moon. That's a rock not to mess with. And for our final 5 facts, did you know that Venus spins backward? Saturn could float in water, a day on Mercury lasts 59 Earth days, black holes aren't black, and the universe is flat? There you have it, folks. 50 mind-blowing facts about the universe. We've traveled through the cosmos and back, uncovering fascinating facts along the way. From the hottest planet to the speed of light, we've journeyed through the expansive universe, gathering knowledge as vast as the cosmos itself. It's been an incredible journey filled with wonder and awe, reminding us how much more there is to discover. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring.